All blocks are structured the same way. A block can contain one or more columns. Columns are indicated by an orange label in the top right corner. Each of these columns can contain multiple content elements such as titles, text paragraphs, videos, or images. Quickly add a column by hovering your mouse over the block. The block's purple label will appear in the top left corner. Click on the plus icon to add a column to the current block. A regular block can have up to 4 columns. If you set a block to full width, it can have up to 6 columns. More on this will be discussed in the next video. For this example, our full width setting is switched off. Once columns are added to your block, you can copy columns, which will also copy the content elements inside them, or delete columns. Now you know the basics when it comes to working with columns.